Okay, I'm very, very happy with my performance this year kasi last year nag-champion ako and this year I got it again. And this is the three-peat this year, so I'm very, very happy to defend the crown.
Ano yung naging challenge nun? Kasi three-peat ngayon na, pero yun nga, na-defend mo yung title.
Syempre po yung challenge for me is yung pressure po. But I took it as a privilege because I know that having the pressure from other people and expectations means they're expecting big from you, which is good for me kasi winner con ko po yung mga kailangan ko po i-improve.
Mika, dun sa performance ninyo, you won straight sets against sabihin nating top junior national athlete, si Costel Puente Espina. Ano yung nasa isip nyo nung time na yun na medyo dikit ang laban hanggang sa makarating ka sa match point?
Siyempre po, I took it 1 point at a time kasi if in-overthink ko na gusto ko madaliin makakuha ng point, mas mahihirapan po ako. So, as much as possible, pinasok ko po lahat ng shots ko, hinabol ko lahat ng shots niya, and I made sure na pasok po lahat ng mga shots ko.
And of course, with this victory, you're still the reigning women's singles champion. Sabihin natin na thrilled ka dito sa inyong panibagong tagumpay at added boost na rin ito para sa inyong nalalapit na pagsabak na hopefully sa SEA Games and even the other competitions na ka-line up. Ano mga moral boost para sa iyo?
Siguro po international tournaments, at least magka-exposure po ulit kami internationally to be more prepared for the upcoming SEA Games 2025.
And before SEA Games, ano yung susunod na competition na abangan mo?
So far po sa Saipan, pero we're not sure yet, but depende po sa labas ng visa.
Okay.
Alright.
Your thoughts about this, parang what's different about this year compared to sa last year again?
For me, every year is different po kasi every year may gustong
Men's singles.
It's not easy of course po for me kasi ang daming gusto mag-champion, pero I'm very, very happy to defend it.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Mika.
thank you
Congrats.
po.
Thank you po.